Hey, Shalom Israel, Most High in Christ bless you. Got Captain Enoch here of IUIC Jacksonville. And as you see, we're having our Family and Friends Day today. We got people bringing out their family, some of their friends. We're gonna set up teams to edify our people to make sure that they're okay, whatever questions they may have. Because a lot of people say, like the ADL, all these SPLC, they all say we're a hate group. Well, what we do is we actually go out to our community. We invite our family and friends out to actually deal with us and ask those pertinent questions. Because a lot of the time, they think that you can't have fun, it's a cult, you can't do anything. Well, as we look around, we see people grilling, we see people playing cards, some are playing soccer, the kids are at the little water park right here. We're having a good time, right? So we out here in Jax, right across the street from the beaches, having a good time with our family. Again, y'all come out. And with that, Israel, we're gonna say shalom, all right? Shalom.